Hello everyone, in this video we will see the multi-dimensional arrays in PHP. So first of all, coming to IDE and creating a new file here. Oh sorry. Let's save this file as a marray.php marr.php and save it. Now we will write the PHP basic syntax here. And multi-dimensional arrays are of two types, like two-dimensional arrays and three-dimensional arrays. Although we can create any dimension array in PHP or any other language, but up to 3 dimensions it is easily comprehensible. Beyond 3 dimensions it becomes difficult to understand. So in this video we will discuss the 2-dimension arrays in PHP. Similarly, you can go to 3-dimension, 4-dimension and 5-dimension if you want to. So let us start. First, declare a variable here like arr equal to array, and it is indexed array. So what we will do, we have to type the same way I have typed here. Actually it's wrong. In here we have to first type array, and actually 2-dimensional array is the form of multiple 1-dimensional arrays. So in this arr variable is a 2-dimensional array, and inside this array we create many 1-dimensional arrays, and we will see it through a loop. We will print them on the screen, every value in this array. So first of all we will create the first one, first array in it, like C and C++. Why it is showing this error? Actually we have to type here comma and the second array. Actually we will copy this and paste it here. Java, C# and the scripting language like .NET and PHP. So this is the 2-dimensional array. Now we have to access the variables in it. First of all, we'll access it using a for loop. For $x equal to 0, $x is less than 2, and $x plus plus. So in here we will create this. We'll print the array $arr 0, $x will echo it. Now it's fine. So simply what we are doing here, we are taking a loop, and inside this loop we will the loop variable here is x, and it starts from 0 to 1. So as we know, there are two variables inside this loop. Actually, we have to come here and provide another loop if we want another variable to change. Dollar of y equals 0 and dollar of y is less than 2, dollar of y plus plus, and then we will copy this statement, cut from here and paste it inside this loop. So now what we can do, we can simply use this x here and y here, and after every echo statement, first we will give some space here, and here we will provide so I think this much is enough. So let's come to browser and see. You can see C, C++, Java, C#. Now it is showing me C, C++, Java and C#, because we have navigated up to 2. If we navigate up to 3, so coming to browser, we will see PHP and .NET. So this was about how to navigate through two-dimensional array in PHP. You can try it and different examples. So this was all about this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Technophile. Thank you.